loves, you're back with me Firza, and today I have an exciting video for you, and this will be another collaboration, but this time this will be with my Facebook friends, my amazing makeup artist friends from Facebook. And we have James Rosello, who is a multimedia arts student, and my very pretty Muslim friend, and she is Harvy Basilio. So I am going to introduce to you my friend.
I torture you, take my hand through the flame. I torture you, I'm a slave to your games. I'm just a sucker for pain.
I've been at it with my homies, it don't matter, you don't know me. I've been rolling with my team, we the illest on the scene. I've been riding around the city with my squad. I've been riding around the city with my squad.
We wanna chain you up, I wanna tie you down. I'm just a sucker for pain.
So now that you have seen my friends, let's get going. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys.
Mama just killed a man, put a gun against his head, pulled my trigger, now he's dead. Mama, life had just begun, but now I've gone and thrown it all away. Mama, didn't mean to make you cry. If I'm not back again this time tomorrow, carry on, as if nothing really matters. Too late, my time has come, sends shivers down my spine, body's aching all the time. Goodbye everybody, I've got to go, gotta leave you all behind and face the truth. Mama, I don't wanna die. I sometimes wish I'd never been born at I see a little silhouette of a man. Scaramouche, Scaramouche, will you do the fandango? Thunderbolt and lightning, very, very frightening me. Galileo, 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 Figaro, Magnifico. I'm just a poor boy, nobody loves me. He's just a poor boy from a poor family, sparing his life from his monstrosity. Easy come, easy go, will you let me go? Bismillah, no, we will not let you go, let him go. Bismillah, we will not let you go, let him go. mamma mia, mamma mia. Mamma mia, let me go. Beelzebub has a devil put aside for me, for me, for me. So you think you can saw me and spit in my eye? So you think you can love me and leave me to die? Oh, baby, can you just show me, baby? Just gotta get out, just gotta get right out of here. Nothing really matters. Anyone can see. Nothing really matters. Nothing really matters to me.
You don't owe me. I'm not just one of your many toys. You don't owe me. Don't say I can't go with other boys. Don't tell me what to do, and don't tell me what to say. Please, when I go out with you, don't put me on display. No, you don't owe me. Don't try to change me in any way. You don't owe me. Don't tie me down, 'cause I'll never stay. Don't tell me what to do, and don't tell me what to say. Please, when I go out with you, don't put me on display. No, you don't owe me. Don't try to change me in any way. Oh, baby, you don't owe me. Don't tie me down, 'cause I'll never stay. I don't tell you what to say. I don't tell you what to do. So just let me be myself. That's all I ask of you. I'm young, and I love to be young, and I'm free. And I love to be free, to live my life the way I want, to say and do whatever I please. 'Cause you don't owe me. Na 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 na. Hey, you don't owe me. Na 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 na.
I torture you. Take my hand through the flames. I torture you. I'm a slave to your games. I wanna chain you up. I wanna tie you
Oh shit, I'm feeling this. Oh, HK Productions, man, I'm making this, creating this. 18 with no soul, I feel I can't resist. To take your mixtape off your hands and flush it like the rest of shit. But if I can take that mixtape off your hands so I can laugh at it. See, my mixtape is dark. Everybody knows my mistake's evil. Everybody knows when I got that pen in my hand when shit goes on there reefing. Now I do it for the people. If it's true a bit of evil, if it's true a lot of pain and overall just fuck the people. See, I grew up with no dad, but that wasn't holding me back. Didn't want to get sympathy and I couldn't give a shit about feedback. Now I'm real mad at this next verse. Stay permanent like a hex curse. Second my second, it gets worse. If you don't want, let's kick next verse now.
Take my hand through the flames. I'll torture you. I'm a slave to your games. I wanna chain you up. I wanna tie you down. I'm just a sucker for pain.
So I walk in, kick back, shoes all set back. Hear a noise, look back, see your face. What's that? And I stand up, man up, chin down with my hands up. Hear a noise, see your flash, hands feeling handcuffed. Lots of energy makes my legs feel wobbly. Try to get away, but the face starts to follow me. 10 seconds later, the face starts to hover me. Start to realize this ain't a game like Monopoly. I get a good look at the face as it hovers me. It wasn't a human that I could see on top of me. It was the face of a demon that was haunting me. My inner demon would agree to demolish me. My inner demon never fails to astonish me. He chews me up and spits me out like democracy. I fucking wish my inner demon would get out of me, so I don't have to fucking deal with all of this.
You take my hand through the flames. I'll torture you. I'm a slave to your games. I wanna chain you up. I wanna tie you down. I'm just a sucker for pain.
Step by step we march through the streets of unknown. Eyes down staring through the fucking screens of a soul. Somebody tell me what the fuck happened to a home. You're addicted, it's a sickness, you just can't let it go. Now I'm terrified by the actions of our humans today. Of a religion, people killing, what more can I say? Future, past, or present, it's a common mistake for the lives that you take. Over something decadent will be fake, now listen. I don't wanna be here when the world falls. Hell is coming over skies through the earth's walls. Heaven closed its gates because of pitfalls. Dripping through the cracks of belief, we all sit tall. Yeah, but we stand wrong. Along the inches of the man, we can't stand strong. No needs just once, we want all. Appreciation is gone.
I'll torture you. Take my hand through the flames. I'll torture you. I'm a slave to your games. I wanna chain you up. I wanna tie you down.
Your pain got me begging, 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 begging. Your pain got me begging, 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 begging. Your pain got me begging, 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 begging. Your pain got me begging, 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 begging.
So that's it, guys. This is my entire Harley Quinn makeup tutorial for you. I hope you like it. I really enjoyed doing this. It was very challenging for me, but I love the colors. And I really like this makeup. And I really like her character in the movie. And also, I do not have any other props, so I just have a hammer. I saw hers, and it's a very big one. It's a big hammer. Anyways, so guys, let me just go ahead and show you some parts of my face that I did. So we started with, of course, white foundation. Yes, and then I have this brows, and then I have the blue eyeshadow from H&M. And I have the red one for the other side. Yes, I used this one for the Maybelline Color Tattoo 24 Hour for eyeliner. And then we put the lipstick, which is Chanel 99 in Pirate. We use Kat Von D for contouring. And then I put these details that Harley Quinn has, the heart and the word rotten. And don't forget to watch my friend's video, so you can go ahead and watch Harvy Basilio's video. It will be on the link down below, and also my friend James, who did the Enchantress, and the links will be down below. So this is a very fun collab. I'm so sorry guys because I was actually late on uploading it. I'm very busy, but finally we're able to do it. Yay! And I wanted to have more collabs with you, Harvy Basilio and James Rosello. Thanks everyone for watching, and remember, stay fierce and fly high. See ya!
Seriously, what the hell's wrong with you people?
We're bad guys. It's what we do.